How to deposit your Bybit account by using peer-to-peer. Friends, welcome. My name is Yuri, and in this video you will learn how I deposit withdraw a really fast practical example. For those of you that only watch about Bybit first time, below this video there would be a link to open account. Those of you that will use our link for opening account, you will get as a bonus mini course for beginners, best way how to start your crypto trading path. That's why I read description. How to deposit, exact step-by-step tutorial. First, open Bybit. On a Bybit you will find this one. P2P or peer-to-peer trading. Here buy means you would like to buy crypto, sell, you sell your crypto. Let's buy USDT. Also stay tuned for more coin types. At this moment they have only USDT. I think in the future there would be more amount of coins. Let's choose we buy crypto. I'm from Ukraine, that's why I use Ukraine currency. Payment methods. Choose. You can use, for example, a bank, PayPal. Also here I saw PayPal. That means you can use a service pay that really suitable for you. At this moment there is no PayPal. I personally use Monobank. It is neobank in Ukraine. It's really fast bank in Ukraine. Let's buy crypto by some of these examples. First, have a look. What do we have here? We have exchange rate. That means per 1 USDT I pay 33.33 Ukrainian hryvnias. Here it is limits. It is a minimum that I can buy. Here it is a maximum that I can buy. Let's do this example. Let's buy crypto here. I will pay, for example, the minimum transactions. I will receive, for example, 10 USDT. Let's buy 10 USDT. As you can see here, limits, it is in hryvnias limits. Also, I can pay 100 hryvnias and I will buy this amount of crypto. Let's buy it. After that, have a look. After that, they share with me a card number where I should send money to a person. Bybit in this case works as a guarantee of this deal. That means if this person, his name is Anton, if he will try scam us, something like that, we can write to Bybit and Bybit will do a complaint. That means Bybit will guarantee that this deal will close positively. That's why let's make a payment and let's go. But before, I ask you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the bell, because you'll find so many lessons that will help you make money. We are not sponsored by any exchange, even Bybit. Don't pay me for this tutorial. I do it only for you to help you know crypto better. Thank you. I just made a payment. I think you will see a screenshot of that payment. It is 1611 at this moment, as you can see, 1611. And I push payment completed, and I push acknowledge. When Anton will receive money, he will need to push a button that he received money, and after that Bybit automatically will send me this money. Let's wait for that. Have a look, my friends. Only 1 minute after Anton approved that he received money and he sent it to me. Remember, if you will do payment by other services that need more time for payment, it will not be such instant as I have. That's why we push OK. And also we can see the history of this transaction. We can open orders, and in orders you can open all and have a look here. It is number of order. And friends, let's do really fast another example how we sell crypto. We choose sell bottom. The same currency. It depends where you are. If you, for example, in Eurozone, you can use another currency. You can use Euro, you can use USDT. You choose your currency. After that, you choose your payment method, for example, PayPal or another stuff, Bank of America, all of the stuff. What we do, I choose my bank, Mono Bank, and have a look here. Again, we see limits in hryvnias from 500 hryvnias to 90,000 hryvnias. That means at this moment, to this guy, I can sell 90,000 hryvnias. Honestly, 90,000 USDT in hryvnias. I don't need so much, but let's do a minimum amount that it's possible to sell. For example, $10, 500 hryvnias. Have a look here. That means I need to sell 15 USDT to receive 500 hryvnias. What I do, I push sell. Before you will push sell, my friends, you should do another stuff. You should open P2P user center. Because in P2P user center, you must add the payment method. As you can see here, you can add 7-Eleven bank, all of that stuff before add. And on that payment method, people will send money to you. Let's come back to my transaction. Have a look here. I wait. Remember, in our previous scenario, we wait when we send money to a card. But at this moment, another person sent money to my card, and I wait when I receive that money. After that, that person push that they completed, and when I receive money, I push release now. That's why let's wait. Have a look, my friends. We just received 500 hryvnias, and when we receive that money, what we should do? Just we press this button, release now. When we release now, you press on this button only in a case when you receive money, because if some person would try to scam you, Bybit would be your guarantee. No one could scam you if you don't do any mistake. Only you receive money, after that do confirm. Here on Bybit, I have confirmation from Google Authenticator. Maybe you don't have it. After that, you write number from Google and push confirm. And congrats, you've sold $15. My friend, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy this content, once more, I highly recommend you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, you will find other tutorials with Bybit in description, and watch our lesson about how to trade crypto and make money on it. There would be a video here. Thank you for your time.